Hey guys, how you doing today? Today we're going to be installing a DeeZee's tailgate assist for a Ford F-150. It's going to be the 13th gen, or this is specifically a 2018. The tools we're going to need today are a ratchet, a 10 mil, and a 5mm hex key. So we'll start off by opening this up to see what we got. We got the gas shock, and then a little bag of supplies, and then some clear sticky tape to protect the paint. Okay, so I got everything laid out. We got the gas shock, some sort of star tool to take the something off. We got this plate which goes on the tailgate itself, and then this plate goes on the truck itself, and then looks like we got a hex bolt with some blue Loctite on it. Okay, sorry about the lighting, it's pretty bad, but I'm in my garage and I don't have that many lights in here, so we're going to start off by taking this out all the way. So you're going to take this one out all the way. And you're going to loosen this one just a little bit. Okay. That's interesting. Paint's dripping off the bolt. Okay. And then this piece. And then you're going to take the blue Loctite one that they gave us, and we're going to put it back in, and we can start tightening things back up. It's not going to work. Okay guys, I hate to switch tools up on you, but I'm going to be using this. I don't have a ratchet set of hex keys, so I'm going to have to use this. I just have a normal drill or impact or whatever, and then you put a hex key right on the bottom, and you want to be kind of gentle because, you know, truck stuff. If you are using an impact, I would definitely be gentle because you don't want to break any of this new stuff here. I haven't tightened up all the way because I want to try to make sure everything fits up top before I actually continue to torque that down. Alright, the next step is to remove this. And they gave us the proper tool to get that off. What I like to do is add a little of assembly lube. You know, no one likes dry starts, so put some of that on there. Just so it goes in nice and easy. Okay, wipe that stuff off there. It doesn't hurt to add any lubrication because it was tough to get out. I'm sure I won't touch this again, but you never know. So once you tighten this one, I'm going to go ahead and just send it and tighten that, the one at the bottom. And tighten the rest by hand. It doesn't say anything about torque specs, so I'm just going tight. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and install the gas shock. This pops on there. Okay, you're going to want to go ahead and pull out the gas shock now, apparently. Okay. Okay. Put your cable back on. I got a ton of stuff on the tailgate. Okay guys, there you have it. DeeZee's Tailgate Assist. Pretty easy to install. Probably 15 minutes without recording. Okay guys, there you have it. DeeZee Tailgate Assist. Yeah, it's pretty nice compared to what it was before. I think it was 35 bucks on Amazon. I'll try to put a link in the description below, okay? Yeah guys, so there you have it. Got it all installed. Probably be about 15 minutes without recording. Yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll try to get more out to you guys. Thanks.